Thank you, children, for participating in this hack. Over 1,000 children from over 50 countries are helping us to solve the crisis.
Our idea was to have a child for kids and people who are exposed to domestic violence.
We invented a solution that we call LearnBox. And LearnBox builds on technology we already have in our homes and societies.
Maybe you can drink a cup of tea with Da Vinci or learn basic math from, I don't know, maybe Einstein.
There's a big family online that can help them, so that's about the house and the heart.
Your experience, your ideas on how to reimagine a world fit for you, the children. A world where everybody can belong, where everyone can participate, where no child is left behind. Thank you for the energy, for the ideas that you are giving, and we, the adults, will promise to take this forward. Thank you.